Hello, comrades. All right, coming. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Michelle, and I make YouTube videos in my bathroom. Welcome to my corner of the internet, where I show you how I do everything myself, because I trust no one. I know that there's a lot of chatter on the internet right now about the TikTok ban and how everybody is kind of floundering around, not really knowing where they want to go. A lot of people don't want to go back to Facebook because why would you? It's dry and mean over there. Twitter is a whole nother animal, and Instagram is full of undiagnosed mental illness. So by default, YouTube kind of wins because they're like the only social media platform that actually cares about its content creators. So shout out to YouTube for doing the bare minimum and still being better than everybody. Yeah, completely unrelated to that, whenever there's a big change happening, I know in my life personally, instead of seeing it as an end, look at it as a beginning, because you're gonna discover new things. So just stay positive. That's all we can do, right? Listen, there are a lot of people that made a lot of money on those apps. So if you always thought that you wanted to get into becoming an influencer, now's the time, honey. You sat back and saw those people make all that money, that could be you. So I'm gonna show you how to be a baddie in your videos when you finally click record and upload them videos. Stop thinking about it and do it. Hey, you nice girl. Y'all, it's curls. You know how I love curls. So this particular unit from Unice is a collaboration with SHEIN, and I live on that app. Hopefully that doesn't go away. This wig is another glueless wig that you don't have to do any prep for. We live for that. They hear us. We want simplicity, efficiency, and affordability. So here are some of the accessories. I got my wig. I got wig caps all day. Elastic band to melt your edges. Edge brush with a replaceable brush head. I was not expecting this color to smack me in the face like that. Y'all ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. It's about to be bright. We're gonna be gingers today. Jerry curly texture, 24 inches long, 150% density. Look at it! The lace is pre-cut, she's pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. You know how hard that is to say? Say it 3 times fast. Here's a little peek at the inside construction of this cap. So there have been some upgrades to this cap. They have made it one size because I know that there's a lot of people who had troubles in the past trying to see if they were small, medium, or large, and then they got the wig back and it was too big or too small. So this one is one size fits all, child. So this cap is designed to fit everybody. So you see right here, they got this C-shaped cutout for your ear, which makes it a lot more comfortable for this area right here, and also good for my glasses wearers because I do wear glasses because I am blind. This shiny strip right here that goes all around the edge of the wig is an anti-slip material. It's very grippy. There is this elastic adjustable band that is on the inside of the cap. It's actually removable, but let me tell you something, okay? Surround yourself with people, okay, that have your back like this elastic grip will have your back, especially when it comes to wearing your wig glueless. And a cute little nape comb in the back. Every time I see a wig in this color, I think, oh, look at the stuff. Isn't it neat? So like I said, we're wearing the wig glueless because in 2025, we're trying to grow our hair down our back. I'm trying to manufacture a hairline with minoxidil. So back in the day, when I was a baby caterpillar, I just felt like my forehead was too big. And I said, you know what? I'm going to get a forehead reduction. Girl, I was really watching YouTube videos and watching people who lowered their hairline, and I thought to myself, why not me? And to that, I just want to thank God for saving me from myself once again. He does it all the time. I've already adjusted my strap. I'm gonna go ahead and plop her on. And then it's really important that you get the adjustment on this right, because you want it to be comfortable and snug all day long. You don't want it to be too tight, and you dang sure don't want it to be loose. So let's go ahead and put her on. I'm gonna pull her back to where she feels nice and comfortable. I feel absolutely nothing around my ears. That is such a relief. You guys don't even know how annoying it is when you put on a wig and it's like trying to fold your ear in half. That mess hurts. So we don't have to worry about that. This is my forehead. So the lace size is 7 by 5, which means 7 inches across, 5 to the back, all right? So this is what the lace is looking like. So while I'm not gonna be using any kind of adhesive or glue to adhere my lace down, I am gonna be using some mousse because the mousse is going to melt the edges. You wanna melt the edges. Customization is key. You wanna enhance your features, okay? You wear the wig. The wig doesn't wear you. We're living out our dark academia dreams with this mermaid hair. And with this robe on, I look like I'm about to conjure up my villain. 24 inches of you better watch out. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna do the things that I need to do to customize this hairline to my face shape, and I'm gonna meet you on the other side with the melted lace.
One last night here with you, came to set the record straight, and in this letting go. But every time I'm a fool, now it's already too late. Boy, your kiss can't say no. Baby, I'm so done with the crazy ways. You're the one being gone for days, like I didn't even care.
Okay, I think that's been plenty of time to have this elastic band on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Let's see what we got. It's looking good. So usually after I take off my headband, I go around my hairline and loosen up that hair that might be a little crusty. And voila, she is installed. You know, I saw somebody spell voila, W-A-L-L-A. All right, so usually when I get a unit that has this curl pattern, all I want to do is enhance the curl pattern because I love curls. But today, I want to do some styles, but I don't want to be limited to just the Jerry curly texture. So I'm going to use my Bad Mama Jamma straightening brush, and I'm going to remove these curls, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron because I want to see, I think I have a sneaking suspicion that this is going to be like a really silky texture when it's straightened, but I don't know for sure. So the only way to be certain is if I can do a little transformation. So around here, wigs are an investment. Michelle, do you have wigs that are older than your children? Yes, I do. Ever since I stopped killing my wigs by bleaching them, I take really good care of them and they last a long time. So one of the ways that you can keep your hair looking fabulous longer is use heat protectant spray. It doesn't even matter what kind, just use it every time you use high heat. Another good way to make sure that your wig lasts a long time is you can use something like knot sealer on the inside of your lace. That is the biggest problem that some people have with maintaining their units, is sometimes they get bald spots. So I recommend those two things, a lace sealer and a heat protectant. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on silkening out this wig, and I promise you I'm gonna edit. You're not gonna sit here with me doing this. I'm gonna be watching my stories. I'm gonna put on my Real Housewives of New York. What is wrong with Brand? What's going on with her this season, y'all? Anyway, girl, I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. So this stage is basically the lioness stage. If you guys remember a picture a billion years ago that I posted of Danny, that's what this reminds me of. But this is not its final form. I'm gonna take it a step further and I'm gonna go ahead and silk this out. Cherry bomb! You guys, this hair is gorgeous. A moment of silence for the color. Like, how could you put this wig on and not believe you're that girl? Okay, so that took a little bit of time, and you can see this hair does have some texture. It's got some texture, it's got some weight to it, it's thick. Thicker than some cold oatmeal. I don't know if it's a combination of these candles, the lights, but I'm gonna put my fan on, I'm gonna change into something cool because I feel like it's 1,000 degrees in here. And then I'm gonna do some hairstyles and show off this luscious mane. I'm really interested in seeing the natural luster of this hair in curls. I gotta say, the color is doing something for me. Before I comb out the curls, let's have a little curl appreciation. Okay, so I've had a lot of fun. I'm kind of curious now because I want to see what the curls look like. So we're about to go to hydration station, all right? I got my water bottle, I have my mousse, and we're gonna reactivate these curls. Now listen, thank you Unice for sending me this gorgeous wig and something else fun that I get to play in. And thank you guys so much for watching this channel. I'm gonna put the information about this unit in the description box below. I will talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go ahead and finish styling. Let me know in the comments section which social media platform you guys are moving to. I'm really interested in hearing people's reasonings for why they're leaving or staying with the platform. Because I have a feeling that this year is gonna be crazy, so we need a place to congregate together. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye!
Someday we'll be bright enough.